What vibe, what energy, what passion for the game. Can you feel the excitement in the air? Lo behold, the Oxford Premier League.
Hello, good morning.
Eagle Forces आ गया.
Morning, Ron. Just look at the gang getting ready for today morning. Sign here. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Show me victory. Morning. How's it going?
Hey man.
Hi. Hey. Good morning. Good morning, Falguni. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning.
Yes.
Morning. How are you doing?
Doing great.
All set for today morning.
Hey, morning all.
After coffee, your day is made. Huh?
Meeting a buddy who did starting.
Let the games begin.
It's going to be an amazing OPL season.
It's going to be an amazing season. Oxford Premier League.
And look who we have here, the Pune Lions!
Day 1 of the Oxford Premier League. It's all about starting well and getting points on the board.
What a match, the Eagles versus Pune Lions.
Correct.
Good shot. What a shot.
Oh, shot, yes. What a cracker. Lovely shot.
Going guys, day 1.
Great going. Very tough. Pretty tough.
All the best guys, tough fights going on, day 1.
We're fighting.
What do you have to say, Rajiv? How's your team performing here?
Team is doing good. Getting hammered right now, but hopefully we will recover.
It's going good and it's going tight.
Steady start.
As per plan.
Yes, and slowly, peaking at the right time.
Yeah, it's going great, man.
We are on the top. Very good putt for me.
It's going to go right down to the wire.
Slightly nervous, butterflies in the stomach, but raring to go.
Oxford is a tough course, beautiful course, and it takes a lot of energy to play out there.
Absolutely, and more than energy, it also is a lot of course management that this golf course requires, because if you go into the technicalities, there are several holes which are dogleg left or right. So it's not pure simple hitting. It's also a lot of course management that has to go into making it a successful round.
And Pool B.
95, it's going to be a tough shot. What is your approach going to be like?
I just need to support my partner by getting this on.
Let's look at the ball where it is placed. And the lie is going to be pretty tough.
There's no backswing also.
There's no backswing.
No, there's no follow through, sir.
There's a follow through, yeah. What a shot! What a shot! Wow!
Shot and shoot.
Day 1 guys, कैसा चल रहा है?
All good, going well.
Come on sir, catch up. Day 1, how's it going guys?
Good. So far, so good. Greens are playing good. Course is very nice. Weather is very good.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
हम टेंशन लेते नहीं टेंशन देते हैं.
Too early to say anything.
Got off to a good start. The team is also doing well. So all is well today as of now. Cheers to OPL.
Good morning, pretty women. And we have some good-looking women here today at the OPL.
My name's Ketuki Sood and I'm playing for the Shaban Sunrisers this year.
Jia, very good. And what team are you playing for?
Dubai Falcons.
My name is Jane. My team is Dubai Falcons.
I'm Deepa Singhal,
And
playing for Sultans of the Swing.
I'm Dolly Mangat playing for the Sultan Swings.
We are cheering for Pune Lions.
Which team are you supporting?
Eagles Horses.
Who are you guys supporting today?
Bindas Boys. Definitely Bindas Boys. I'm Dipali, Mrs. Gaikwad, and my team is Eagle Force. Zingers.
I'm supporting my son. He's playing for Zingers.
Supporting the Sultan, and my Sultan is Karthik.
Do you guys play golf also?
Yes.
क्या बात है? Where do you guys play golf? Pune Club?
Pune Club and RSI. No, we do play. We play golf. We all play.
Next time we want to participate in Eagles.
A little on the range here and there, but not on the course. I'm in the gold category. My handicap is 3.
Yeah, I play a bit. I've taken the clinic, so let's see. Handicap is 18.
Well, I've been a part of these leagues for quite some time, and Pune Club as well as here, so it's always the most exciting time of the year.
In this league, it's 6.
What a shot, partner! What a shot!
So, are the Pune Lions doing well?
Yes, they're peaking up now.
Come to give my best luck, you can say my best luck for the team.
It's very competitive, yeah.
Very competitive.
And we're having a very good time on the course today. Our opponents are they're strong, so we're definitely having a good time.
And how do you find the entire ambience? How do you find the place?
Oh, it's amazing.
Beautiful.
I've played here a couple of times. It's awesome.
This is our first time here.
The ambience is good. I think it's looking very nice, but it's very hot.
I'm enjoying the venue, the food. So OPL is always fun to play. I played last year,
Yeah.
and this is one time where I actually just chill out and play, and it does teach you so much about your game.
You're basically saying it kind of defines your personality.
Of course. Yes.
Does golf make you a better human being?
Yeah.
Need not to say that. I think so.
I particularly feel it's a gentleman's game. You really learn a lot of ethics. You have to behave yourself on the golf course, which is definitely going to carry wherever you go, you know.
Golf is a game of brains, not bronze. So it's otherwise at this age when the kids become teenagers, the mom and parents are outcasts. Rather, they become my best buddies.
Basically, you learn patience here, and you play against the course. It's not the opponent you're playing against, so it brings out the best in you.
Made our bond stronger and fall in love each time you play the game, and same with the relationship. Both the kids are playing golf now, so I get more time to spend with them.
It's going to be an amazing season. OPL season 2.
So golf in India and women in golf both are gradually growing, and it's for the best for sure.
Go Pune Lions!
And my team, all the best. Go, go, go up, up, up in the sky. It's going to be an amazing season.
PL Season 2.
It's boring in the start as a junior because you have so many other sports you can tend to. But if you keep going, it's going to be fun.
It's been an amazing season. OPL Season 2.
It's good to see women participation happening this time.
We definitely have room for more women participation.
Oh, absolutely. And we want to encourage more and more children and women to take part.
Moving on, let's move on to a new team this year. The team Zingers. Ale re ale, Zingers ale.
That thing has really stuck, right?
Well, it's by far the most catchy team anthem that they've created themselves.
Absolutely.
So it's
A lot of
amazing.
creative juices flowing as well.
And anyone who sees the lemon yellow color t-shirt chaps walking around like Ale re ale, Zingers ale.
Hey, my name is Vinayak.
My name is Arvind.
My name is Chintamani Phadke.
My name is Leon Zagras. Prakash Tolani.
My name is Gaurav Pandit.
So my name is Sumedh Gangal.
My name is Sachin Gangal. I'm playing for Zingers.
Cheers.
Let's go!
They have a young coach, they have a young team. The captain Sumedh is again young, very, very nice guy who keeps everybody motivated, who supports his team, and he backs every player. I've seen that myself, and you'll never see him down and out.
Good captaincy.
A very good captaincy,
Yeah.
and very good initiative from a captain. It's okay, even if a couple of holes are lost, you come back strong. And
No pressure play, right?
The idea is to step up the team and try to drive the team with good results myself.
So, but I think we're pretty strong.
We look for a reason to party.
Right.
It's one big party.
So वो जो beer आपने pocket में छुपा के रखा है, उसे please pass it on, please.
Captain पीछे.
That we would be tough for all the other teams. That's the belief we are carrying.
As a team, we are quite focused. We all know what we have to do.
Stroke दोगे, stroke लोगे.
Mostly लेंगे.
मतलब लेने में मजा है.
लेने में मजा है, शायद देना भी पड़े.
The idea is that we have 15 really good players, so we need to get the best 12 as per energy, as per form, as per confidence on every day.
Yeah, we like to play very boring, straight, simple, nice shots.
When the going gets tough, the tough really get going.
No beer till the tournament is over.
No beer till the tournament is over.
I think we are pretty well prepared. So in the end, it all depends on how the day pans out.
Anything can happen in golf.
so a good team to watch out for. Zing
the
the zinging Zingers.
Day 2 of the Oxford Premier League. Things are looking exciting now.
अच्छा ये हॉर्लिक्स वाला शॉट था.
Horlicks वाला shot.
अरे क्या बात.
Did you see the Horlicks?
Horlicks लटक रहा है.
It is.
आप वर्मा जी के साथ में रहिए, नए नए आपको मिलेंगे जुमले.
And things heating up in Pool B.
Day 2, good morning.
Good morning to you.
I hear the Sultans are rocking.
Oh yes, they always.
Yeah, looking good in orange. Yeah.
Point is infantry. If you make a mistake, you get killed. either you kill the enemy or you get killed yourself.
Right, sir.
So I would rather kill the enemy rather than getting killed.
Okay, Maharathi. What's your name? Good morning.
Aman Sevacha.
आप पक्का कोई जंग या कोई वॉर में पक्का I'm sure you must have participated.
You're not wrong.
I'm sure you were there in Mahabharata also.
No, not that ancient.
But you would have liked to be there in Mahabharata.
What's difference between golf strategy and war strategy?
Golf strategy, you can be losers. In wars, there are no losers.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Good one, sir.
That's a good one.
Good one, sir.
महेश और ये जा रहा है 50-100 मीटर आगे.
You know, there's some guys who are hitting 350, 330, and there's some guys who are here hooting 240. They're like, यार इनके साथ तो मतलब कोई चांस ही नहीं है.
और सबसे मजा आ गया वो इतना मारा वो और they took another ball और उसमें झाड़ी में बाल दिया और होल जीत गए. That is the fun of
भैया शॉर्ट गेम होता है. शॉर्ट गेम होता है भैया.
Okay, next we have blistering birdies. Again, that's a tongue twister of sorts. What's happening with them?
So they are an amazing team. The owners are from Mumbai again.
They bring in the competitive spirit.
They bring in their competitive spirit. They are never frowning too much.
Yeah.
And they're always on the move. Like, you know, like let's just get this done. And
what I also like is it's not that only they are invested, they're also supporting the team in all ways possible.
And hi Pradeep, how are you doing?
Abhinay Khanna and I'm Raj Datta.
Hi Mahesh.
My name is Samir Sheikh.
Hey John, how are you doing?
Hi, very good.
You are part of the blistering birdies.
That's correct, Ron.
Hi, we're the blistering birdies and we're here to win.
it's a tough competition going on. They are a good team, and a couple of their players have done exceedingly well. If they don't make too many changes and they stick to the successful formula, I think they'll definitely make it to the finals.
We are a good team right now. We have 5 single handicappers. They definitely perform well. They don't mess up more.
It's one of the best courses, well kept courses.
The greens are different here. The grass is different.
Always a great course to come to Oxford, and I enjoyed last year's OPL.
Hope our team comes out on top.
First impression is the best impression.
It's just going to be who can stay the most relaxed, not get too intense, and just focus on swinging nice and easy.
And we have very good experienced player.
The lie is different from Pune Club because the ball lies above the grass, so you can't dig in.
We are trying to pair up like that we'll have a win-win proportions.
Tournament temperament matters.
We have a good strategy to start on a good note.
Got to just take every shot as it comes. Don't get too far ahead of yourself.
अभी प्रेशर तो रहेगा यार, ये अच्छा खेलता है वो अच्छा खेलता है, तो थोड़ा हर शॉट पे प्रेशर आएगा. सो अभी हमको उनको खाली यही समझाना है कि आप गेम करो, एंजॉय करो, खाली फोकस करो और फेयर खेलो बस.
New team on the block is the Soft Cell Swingers. Nice name.
So
It's a tongue twister.
It's a tongue twister.
Soft Cell Swingers.
Tell me about it, how I managed in the auction, but in terms of average age, I would say this would be the highest average age, but they go down there and prove that age is just a number. They're filled with huge experience.
I'm Dhananjay Date.
Unmesh Bhatija.
Hi Ranjit, how are you doing?
So my name is Shivang Tiwari.
Paresh from Soft Cell.
Hi, I'm Parimal.
Sunil.
My name is Ajay Munkur and I'm really excited to be playing for the Soft Cell Swingers.
What a shot.
And they're such a soft bunch of golfers.
Yeah.
And they're so hard on the course.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I mean, this experienced team is.
But this is what experience does to you, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Experience humbles you while the practice just perfects you. So it's a combination of both.
So you've got a tough tournament coming up. Who are you facing? First two matches.
Oh, we're facing the two toughest teams in the group. I think one is the Legacy guys and one is the Pune Lions. Okay, so basically, we have told our team that have fun.
Oh, it's a delight to be here.
A blessing from God.
Bronze category, I just managed to get in.
It's one of the best things that has happened to Pune for golfers actually.
Yeah, we are rigorously practicing, as you can see, and our the tough matches are where you will actually test out your mettle and be proven.
It's one of the most challenging golf courses I've been.
I'm in the bronze category, the only one that matters.
I think it'll take a lot of effort from everyone, a lot of focus, because the outcome of the matches is going to be how each player performs on that day. That's part of the game, boss. Taking and giving strokes. I'm not particularly worried about that. One has to play one's game.
Do strokes really matter in such a big golf course and in the tournament?
You know, I think, yes, they do matter, but they only matter if they're right. It's important that everybody have a fair chance to do well.
Very strong. We've got some very strong players in our team. Very strong.
I feel soft shell swingers is very strong as far as our mental strength is concerned.
In fact, we are trying to put our best foot forward and make sure that we put our best team out on the first 2 days.
And one of the things about our team is we're all actually very good friends. Participating and putting a team together was just to have fun. Of course, we'd like to win.
Would you say that the gods play golf?
I think they must do. Otherwise, they wouldn't have given us this pleasure.
I don't have a problem with losing honorably. I don't want to win by fraud or deceit.
Day 3 of the Oxford Premier League brought about some interesting situations.
Oh, nice one.
How is the third day going to be the moving day?
I think it'll be good. You know, we're hopeful. Our team has been very consistent.
Yeah.
We've got 7.5 points on each of the first 2 days.
Yeah.
And I think we're confident that we'll get at least that much today. So it should be a good day.
How's the day going, guys?
Superb. Our opponents are awesome guys. They are making us play.
हमारे ओपोनेंट्स हमको एक भी मौका नहीं दे
They
रहे
are making us work
सुबह
very
से
hard.
हम लोगों को बहुत हार्ड वर्क करा रहे हैं
अरे
All of us are thinking to repeat मत करो sir.
हम तो नाश्ता भी लेकर आए थे ठंडा हो गया
Bindas boys had a great outing yesterday.
Yes.
And today is...
The first day slumps. Yesterday was good. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Today is moving day, the third day. It's very critical to get points on the board.
Get up on the leaderboard. Yes.
And Pool B.
We are 10.5 right now.
After end of 2 days.
After end of 2 days. Yesterday we got almost 8 points. Okay, so today also.
आज तीसरा दिन है, आज moving day है.
Yes, so hope आज हम सारे matches लेंगे और टेबल टॉप करेंगे.
क्या पट मारते हैं यार दूर से?
क्या दूर का नजर अच्छा है.
भाई आनंद यार, ऐसे दूर से पट मार रहे हो यार. What did you say? Is that lady luck? Giving you company?
Yes, my lady has come, but she's not here right now.
Moving on, let's talk about the Eagle Forces, who is also an amazing team to reckon with. Again, the entire team has a composition of all people from the defense forces.
That's true.
Amazing team spirit, amazing bonding. Their parties and their team spirit is amazing, so to speak. What do you say about the Eagle Forces?
So, as you've already said, the Eagle Forces comprises mainly of the golfers from the armed forces, and the best part is that most of their team, they live in different parts of the country, and they all come together 3-4 days before the league and I think they just go out there and kill it. So call it the the discipline or the unity of the army.
Or their passion for the game.
Passion for the game, absolutely. So bonding is a given in that team. They might not meet every day or practice so much, but because they belong to the same field of work and they've worked before together at some point in time, I think they're on the same page the moment they meet. And of course, the great golfers, all of them.
Hi, my name is Harry.
I'm Commander Vishnuvardhan Paila.
I'm Commander Raja Nandeep.
Colonel Deepak Devre.
My name is Jalaj Kakkar.
I'm Kanwar.
I'm Simon Paulus.
I'm Commander PK Pandey.
I'm Rajshekar.
Colonel Yogesh Garwal. I'm playing for Eagle Forces.
Hi, we are the Eagle Forces and we are here to win. What a shot!
दिल में अंगार है, आंखों में खुमार है, होठों पे हंसी और सीने में प्यार है। ये मानता नहीं हार है, करता पलटवार है, टीम है ये फौज की, ये युद्ध को तैयार है।
They're definitely giving a very tough fight, right? That we can be sure of.
Well, what more do you expect from someone from the forces, right? So they never give up, and that's what they've been doing. I mean, they've been fighting hard, and they're all kind of senior golfers.
Josh is very high.
Very high Josh. Very high Josh, and they're always smiling. So they're a happy bunch.
What in war and in golf, the only difference would be like the enemy is constantly moving, right? But in golf, it's your own ball. You're playing your own ball, which is stationary. Josh is absolutely wonderful.
I love their company, I love their game, I love their spirit, and I love their Josh. So they are here to win, so we are here to win.
This time the team composition also very good.
Plus we are drinking together every day out here, so we are enjoying also.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oxford Golf Course has always been, fantastic golf course. It's one of the top 3 courses of India.
I'm part of Eagle Forces for the second time. Last time we missed out with just a small margin, but this time it's going to be a cakewalk for us.
Coming all the way from Port Blair.
Approach is very simple. Play golf and win.
मतलब तुम लोग क्या हर दिन खेलोगे क्या?
हर दिन खेलेंगे।
अरे कभी तो golf को छोड़ दो यार तुम लोग दूसरों के लिए। अच्छा एक काम करना, वो जो पीछे बियर पड़ा हुआ है ना, प्लीज पास इट ऑन।
नहीं वो हम नहीं देने वाले किसी को, sorry.
अच्छा।
So other teams just watch out, we are here.
No, we just need to be free and just play our game. So if you are free and with 1.5 peg down in the night, I think we should do that.
The golf itself is a lot of mind game. Beware, eagles always fly high, try and catch up. The very basis of armed forces is bonding, camaraderie, brotherhood. So,
अच्छा जल्दी से please pass me the beer can that you guys have been having.
Life is also like golf. Take it one shot at a time.
we are officers and gentlemen.
And very charming at that.
Yeah, we are never drunk.
You guys are never drunk.
Yeah, we party hard.
मतलब तुम लोग लाइन मारे हो या लाइन दिखा रहे हो?
लाइन दिखा रहे हैं.
लाइन
पे मार रहे हैं.
अच्छा लाइन में मार रहे हो.
And this is how the leaderboard looked like after 3 days of rigorous games at the OPL.
So you guys are the Bindas boys.
Yes,
huh?
yes.
How?
हम लोग टेंशन लेते नहीं है, इसीलिए टेंशन हो जाती है.
अरे बाप रे.
अरे सिंगर्स आले.
How many points?
10.5.
How many victories?
4.
Way to go, guys.
4.5.
A good day in the office for the Zingers.
Yay!
So we have won 3 matches clean with bonus of 0.5. So that makes 7.5. And I think as of now, we are leading on 2 greensome and 1 we are little down. Let's hope we make up on those also. So overall we are doing good. With our coach, Mr. Gurki, around.
Yeah, coach, sir, what do you have to say about this?
I'm pretty pleased with the performance. Players are playing well. They're keeping it together. Tough conditions, long duration of rounds. So they're keeping it together, keeping it tight. I'm pretty proud of them.
Roaring Tigers, you guys are rocking. How was the game today?
It was great game today. We really rocked. The course was amazing. Everything was fine. The weather was good.
and the game went on with the course and the weather. Everything was very fantastic.
Good,
and
good.
And icing on the cake, we won the match.
Wow, wow,
With the
wow.
bonus.
My God.
And I had an eagle on the last one.
My God, the Tigers are rocking it, huh? How's the game, guys? How's it going?
Game was good, but you can make out from my face that we lost.
Bindas boys, how was the day in the office today?
Oh, Bindas.
It was an amazing day after yesterday's very bad day. We recovered. We won, I think, 5 matches. No, we
4 matches.
Four matches today. In one of the match, we all squared at the last hole. We were down by 4 on how much? 12th hole. वहाँ से we recovered and we all squared the match at the end of it.
They were 4 down and last 4 holes they won all 4. And now पूरी रात दारू पीनी पड़ेगी मुझे.
Well said, well said.
Cheers.
It's good to see your beer in your hands.
The first win of the day.
The first win of the day?
Day and the tournament.
Of the tournament?
Of the OPL.
Wow, kya baat hai. Can you please take me through it? How was it?
It was tough, full of ups and downs. We are against two very good, very talented youngsters. Playing against the best. They make us, make us sweat and make us fight.
Which team are you playing against?
Pune Lions.
Pune Lions. How was the game? Did you guys enjoy?
We enjoyed the fight. We enjoyed the fight and the result speaks. We won on the 18th hole.
Come on.
So green is something that connects every golfer. There has to be some kind of fascination for the greens, because once you start playing golf, and correct me if I'm wrong, once you start playing golf, you're forever thinking about the game. You're forever, the greens, the holes are perpetually on your mind, and you're always thinking about how you can better your strokes, better your game, right?
Yes.
So that's another mind space that golf takes, and actually I would like to believe, and you can second me over here, golf actually makes you a better human being, doesn't it?
You know what? It's like if I have to play tomorrow, or rather any golfer has to play tomorrow, and the night he's dreaming. He's already dreaming. He just feels he's Tiger Woods, because everybody feels that he's going to go hit that ball this way, that way, and that it's an incalculated thing. It happens. It just happens. It happens with everybody. You can ask anybody. So, and the challenge when you come on the course and when you actually play the game, you imagine it and you play it. It's a totally different ball game.
So
it's a complete character builder.
It's a mind over matter kind of
Absolutely.
game, right?
And then when you're there, then you realize, shit man, I thought I was the best. I'm a Superman. No Superman. Everybody's grounded. You're standing on this earth and you're realizing that you are one more of them.
So the game completely humbles you down.
Oh my God, humble to the next level, to the ultimate level. Any ego can be crushed on this course. Any ego.